Now it's time for the Intense 5. How is Kanye West one of the richest black men in America? Well, I'll tell you. He signed a distribution deal with Gap and voila, he's rich again. Pick up yourself, yeah, sir.
Elephant Man goes back to court. So, remember when he supposedly lied to the immigration officer last year about where he had been? Ooh. Yeah, that case is still going on, but we'll definitely keep you posted.
Nesbitt's road manager was shot recently in his jawbone by gunmen who relieved him of his firearm. He, however, is expected to make a full recovery, but of course, we're still asking for prayers.
Since we're already on the crime topic, what is going on? Like, we're tired of hearing about murders and shootings. Jamaica is such a beautiful place, and we are beautiful people. So let's just focus on living good, guys. Come on.
And finally holding the #1 spot this week, the Grammys were lit. Even though it wasn't what we were used to, no sir, I thoroughly enjoyed it. The performances were great, and Megan Thee Stallion, girl.
And the Grammy goes to...
Although he is not with us, Toots won the Reggae Grammy, and we're sure that he's smiling in heaven. Yo. It definitely was a great night. That's it for the Intense 5 tonight. Remember to follow us on IG at TVJ Intense. Our videos are up so you can catch up with what you missed.